Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this interesting exponential equation 6 to the power of x equal to x to the power of 18. This equation has three solutions, but you can only obtain one by solving the equation algebraically. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. We're going to solve it algebraically by some manipulations though. First of all, I would like to switch x and 18 because you can see we have x here. So I would like to take this x here. We have a number here, bring it here. But whenever you switch exponents, they're going to transfer as what? Their reciprocals. So we have 6 to the power of 1 divided by 18 instead. And this is equal to x raised to the power of 1 over x. The reciprocal of this, reciprocal of that. You see we have x here, we have x here, but this is 16 and this is 18. Had it been they are the same, then we can conclude that x is equal to one of the numbers. So how can we change this number so that they will be exactly the same? One thing we can do is, remember 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we can multiply this exponent by 2 divided by 2. This is a manipulation I told you. So if you have 6 raised to the power of 2 divided by 2, which is 1, times 1 over 18, right? So this is equal to, okay, to the other side we have x equal to x to the power of 1 over x. So here, I'm going to take 2 and raise it on to 6 and take 1 over 2 and multiply by 1 over 18. Something like 6 to the power of 2, right? Then here I have 1 over 2 left from this 2 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 18. And this is equal to x raised to the power of 1 over x. 6 to the power of 2 is 36. This is going to give us 1 over 36. Now you can see they are exactly the same as mirror image. We have 36, we have 36, x and x, which implies that x is equal to 36. So this is where we got this 36, but we have other two solutions. If you want to get these ones, you have to either graph the function or use calculator. Because I know that this is an even function, right? And because the leading coefficient is positive, definitely it is going to be something like this. Something like this. All the two legs will be pointing upward. And this is an exponential function, which is something like this. I know definitely they are going to cross somewhere. You see we have a negative value of x, which is this one. And I think this probably is this one, 1.11768. And eventually, as the curve keeps moving, you're going to meet x equal to 36. Thank you for watching. Do share to your colleagues. Bye-bye.